Today you are going to create a Mathigon account. First, open up your web browser and type the website shown on the screen. It should open to create a new account. Click on Students so it's highlighted in blue. Type in your birthday and then click Sign Up with Class Code. Each class has their own code. Type it in exactly as it is shown. We are a Microsoft school, so you will click on Microsoft. It will automatically link to your school email and Microsoft account. Then it will show a screen like this. This is your student dashboard. There are many activities in here that you can do, but for today we are going to focus on multiplication by heart. To get there, click on Activities in the top right. It will transition to this screen, and then you will click on Multiplication by Heart. The expectation is for you to do this practice every day. It gives you a series of flashcards and starts remembering what you know and don't know. Today you will have 15 flashcards to go through. Type the answer in. If you know the answer, it will end up going into the box labeled B at the bottom. If you don't know the answer, it will stay in box A for tomorrow. Every day, you'll get 15 to 20 flashcards to go through. This will be counted as part of your grade for classwork. It logs for me how many times you log in each day and how many flashcards you complete, both correctly and incorrectly.